Hello software engineers, be honest. Are you getting paid to write boilerplate code or to build real functionality? Every new project starts the same way, setting up authentication, payments, database, UI scaffolding, right? You have done it 100 times and still it eats up days before you can even show something real. Real functionality is in action, right? How about building a fully functional app prototype in a few minutes with me just by describing it in plain English? No code, no delay. That's what this magic AI tool Lovable makes it possible. Today, I will show you how AI is transforming in creating prototypes in minutes. Why Lovable? Why is it so powerful? It's because Lovable turns natural language into code. Literally, you describe your app idea and Lovable builds the UI. Backend connection with Supabase, authentication flows, all automatically. This isn't just fast, it's fully automated, letting teams go from idea to prototype in record time. Suppose you're tasked with building a food delivery web app. You need restaurant menus, ordering, payments, delivery tracking, and an admin dashboard, right? Normally that's weeks of work before anyone sees progress. But with Lovable, it's minutes. Let's see how. This is Lovable's interface where we can prompt and get the app prototype in a few minutes. But wait, your prompting matters much to get a good prototype. Lovable has given some tips and tricks for the same. Let's check them before giving a prompt. Lovable has given a clear framework for better prompting. First, make your prompt concise. Make your prompt clear and to the point. Avoid vague language while writing your prompt. Second, make it logical. Break down what you want. Write clear step-by-step instructions like a logical flow. Third, make it explicit. Call out what you want explicitly. If some feature is mandatory, call it out. If some feature is not required, call out to avoid it. Fourth one is adaptive. You can't get everything in one go. Refine your prompts iteratively until you get what you want. Fifth is reflective. Before adding more functions or features, take your time in reviewing the prototype. It gives you an idea on further prompting. Now, it's time to create our prototype by defining a prompt following this clear framework. Here is a prompt to build a full stack food delivery application. Let's give that here. Check this prompt out. We made it clear, concise, broken down the flow, and determined step-by-step instructions of what we want in a clear flow. Let's check the response prototype and then do iterative prompting for more features or feature modifications later on. Now, let's click on this to generate our application. See, now Lovable has started to build the prototype. Just wait for a few minutes. On the left hand side, you can check how Lovable has started building out things and in the first version what all features it has included. This is the prototype that Lovable has built for us. On the left hand side you can say that Lovable is saying that it has built a modern food delivery platform. The app features a vibrant design with restaurant listing, search functionality and so on. Now, it has created a responsive UI for browsing restaurants and menus. Then, there is a cart and checkout flow, login setup, an admin dashboard basically for restaurants and menus, right? Now, I want to change the color theme to blue and green. Let's give a prompt to do that and check how it responds. Let's give the prompt. Here we are calling out what we want to change and what we don't want to change. We want to change the color theme, but we don't want to change the layout. Let's check how Lovable responds. Lovable is thinking. You can see Lovable editing index.css file. Now it has finished editing. It says that color theme is updated to blue and green. And you can see the changes reflected on the right side of the screen. Making changes is just as easy. Want to add any promo codes or push notifications? Just update the description and Lovable regenerates the app with those features built in. So instead of spending weeks grinding through setup, you can build and launch 10x faster. Lovable handles the foundation. You focus on what makes your product great. That's smarter engineering. We have seen the power of Lovable, right? What makes Lovable different? First is full stack automation. It configures UI, SQL, security policies, APIs right out of the box. The next one is the refinement tools. You can visually tweak the UI without touching even a single line of code, and we have seen that also, right? And third is its proven track record. Even founders call it a super senior developer in the book. If you can describe it, you can build it. In a world where AI is rewriting how software gets built, speed and precision define the best engineers. Don't get left behind. Embrace tools that makes you proficient, efficient and ahead of the curve. Follow Interview Kickstart's YouTube channel to stay on the front line of the AI-powered engineering revolution. We'll come up with more updates and more AI tools.